Right there is a remote, and in order to replace the battery for it, notice behind the remote there is that slider button right there. All we have to do is just slide it upside and then pull out the key. Once the key is pulled out, now we will keep the button portion at the bottom and the logo portion stays at the top, and I'll be using a screwdriver like this. We'll punch in the screwdriver in that slot right here and then tilt it upside. There it is, that is how it's taken out. Now we'll just pull out the top cover. Once the top cover is out, right there is our battery. We'll hold on to it from here and then using the same screwdriver, we'll punch it on the corner to pull out the battery. There it is, that is how the battery is pulled out, and it is a CR2032 type battery. In my case, the battery is good, so I'll be installing it back, but in your case, if you have a new battery and you want to install it back, just make sure the plus sign right there stays at the top. Now we'll go ahead and punch this battery back where we took it out from. Just make sure the battery is slided into those two tabs first. We'll go ahead and slide it in just like that, and then press it all the way down. Once the battery is completely in, also make sure the module is completely in position from all over the edges. After that, we'll go ahead and punch in the other cover. Make sure to align the cover properly from all over the edges. Once aligned properly, then we will press the top cover down. There it's in from one side, also in from the other side, then also press from the top. Just like that. Once all the sides are in, now we'll go ahead and punch in the key inside. Just slide in the key in that slot right there. And with that, we are done with the replacement of battery for this remote. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.